In this video, you'll learn how to generate login and authentication in Base44. By following the steps outlined, you will be able to create a secure login system for your application efficiently. Start by navigating to the Base44 website. Once there, look for the button labeled Start Building prominently displayed on the home page. Click on this button to proceed to the next step. After clicking Start Building, you will be directed to a page that prompts you with the question, what will you build today? This is where you will start the process of creating your app. Ensure that this screen is visible before proceeding. Next, locate the section that invites you to describe your app idea or to explore the available templates. This section will provide inspiration or a starting point for your project. Click on the relevant area to continue. Following this, you will need to type in create login and authentication in the designated text box. This specifies the type of application you wish to develop. After entering your text, confirm your input by clicking on the Enter button. Once you click Enter, a message will appear stating, let's build your app. This indicates that the system is ready to proceed with your application creation. It's essential to ensure this message is visible before moving on to the next step. After the message appears, you will see a prompt on the screen. Click on this prompt to continue with the setup process for your application. This action is crucial for moving forward with your app's development. Next, type in a prompt that suits your app. This is where you can provide additional context or specifications regarding how you envision the login and authentication features. After entering your prompt, if you wish, you can click on suggestions to receive recommendations that might enhance your app idea. This feature is optional but can be beneficial for inspiration or refinement. Following this, you will need to wait for the app to generate. During this period, a loading indicator may be displayed, indicating that the system is processing your request. Be patient as this step is necessary for the successful creation of your application. Finally, once the app generation is complete, you will receive a confirmation message stating that you have successfully created an app. This confirms that all steps have been completed successfully and your login and authentication system is now in place.